Hey, what's going on, guys? It's me, Dr. Ganatra, and listen, I'm in my kitchen. More on that a little bit later, but the reason I'm making this for you here from my kitchen is to answer a question I always get. How come my social media sucks, and how come I'm not getting any patients or people walking into my practice because of social media, because of Facebook or Instagram? Well, here's the reason why your social media may suck. The number one reason is this: you're not posting. You are not posting anything. You think that you put some basic standard posts up and it's going to light up the stove. It's going to start cooking the meal. It's not going to do that. When you're not posting stuff, you're not out there. You're not relevant in your marketplace, in your local area. And here's the other thing. This is another catch right here. Number two, when you do post, you think that everyone's gonna see your post. When you cook your meal, you think that everyone's gonna eat it. They can't eat your meal unless you serve it to them. They can't see your post unless you boost it and create an ad from it. You see, don't think that just because you have something on your page that people are gonna see it. It doesn't matter how many likes you have on your page or how many followers you have on your page. You see, organic reach is dead. Okay, which means that you have to boost or create an ad out of your post. And you got to do this consistently. So that's number two. Number three is you just don't have the right messaging. You don't have the right copy. The right messaging is, what do you have on the stove? What are the ingredients that you're using? What are you cooking up? How are you turning the dials? If you are turning the dials of your words, of your copy, of your messaging, you'll find that more people will react to your post. See, many of you are out there posting something on social media and expecting people are gonna wanna come into your office. Nobody wants to come to a dentist. We know that. But you have to have them see the value in doing that through creating a hook, a story, and an offer. You have to story tell. You have to get out there in your posts. Tell the story of why what you're posting about is so valuable. Bring that person into your world by first stepping into their world and really being the voice in their head, looking at their pain points, merging with their pain points, describing their pain points, and then creating a solution to their pain points through the journey and the story within your post. Those are the three reasons why your social media is not working, why it literally sucks, and why you think these platforms are not gonna work for you. Well, here's the thing. You're right. If you're not gonna do that, then these things will not work. You have to be posting on Facebook, Instagram, whatever platform you're using. That's number one. Number two, you have to know that if you post, just because you cook the meal, no one's gonna eat it, no one's gonna be there to receive it unless you serve it to them. And the way you do that is you serve them ads, you boost it, you reach that audience around your office. And number three, what are your ingredients? What do you got on the stove? What are your ingredients? What kind of copy are you using to tell your message, to tell your story? What's your hook? What's your story? What's your offer? How are you getting them in? If you do these things, I promise your social media is going to work. Things will be fixed. Things will work. So if things are broke, do these three things and you'll see that it's gonna work. It'll be remarkable. It'll be amazing. And not only that, you will distinguish yourself uniquely in your local community as the go-to dentist that understands where their patients are coming from, that really makes them feel understood because you got 1, 2, and 3 right on point, okay? I hope that helped. I know this was kind of just coming straight at you, but I really wanted to kind of give this one to you from the heart because I see this so often and I know you can do it. So see me on this training if you want more information on it. Click the link here below the video. I'm doing a whole training on this whole thing. And I'm giving away 3 campaigns that will work as long as you do them, okay? See you then, guys. Bye-bye.